I wish the president would make remarks like that, especially since a co-equal branch of government is investigating a very, very serious situation where hundreds of millions of dollars are coming into our country. And it's obvious operation made by a group with the same name as some Chinese. And I wish he would stop doing that because he should allow us, especially the Blue Ribbon Committee, to conduct the investigation. And we're getting everything. We're convinced without doubt that there is money laundering. Unfortunately, some of these people, perhaps, the fellow that we want to resign, cannot see the handwriting on the wall. Wala silang ginagawa. Ba't pumapasok? Saan dadalhin niya? Diba? Ang sinasabi nila, good faith raw. You cannot assume good faith when the velocity of the money coming in is so fast and the enormity, ang laki-laki ng bulto-bultong pera na pumapasok ng daan milyon. Hindi mo pwede sabihin hindi money laundering yan. Sapagkat pag lumabas na yan sa airport, hindi mo na alam kung saan nagpunta yan. At hindi mo na alalaman kung anong ginagawa maaring nakapisala sa bansa. From drugs to destabilization, to going to ISIS, to buying firearms, hindi natin alam.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.